Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Pinterest videos on your iPhone. Make sure to stick around till the very end so you don't miss any steps and can save your favorite Pinterest videos right to your device. So let's get started. First things first, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device and then find the video that you want to download. Once you find the video, click on three dots and then click on copy link to save the video's link to your clipboard. After this, open Safari and search for Pinterest video downloader site. Then click on this first website. Once you're on the website, you will see a space to paste the link. So go ahead and paste the link you copied from Pinterest and then click on download. After processing the link, the website will show you a preview of the video alongside with the download button. Click on download and allow a few minutes for it to save to your device. Now you can see it has started downloading. And that's how you can download Pinterest videos on your iPhone. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.